Welcome to my channel Honest Auto Wheels, where we explore machines that redefine comfort, power, and value. Today's video is something truly special because Toyota has taken one of the world's most trusted vans and turned it into a rolling luxury experience. Get ready to experience the all-new 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van, a vehicle that blends legendary reliability with premium design and first-class comfort. This is not just transportation anymore, this is a lifestyle upgrade. And trust me, when you hear about the price, features, and performance, you might be genuinely surprised. The Toyota Hiace has always been known as a workhorse, a van you could trust for years without complaint. But for 2026, Toyota has completely reimagined it for buyers who want more than just space. They want style, elegance, and comfort. Whether it's for family travel, executive transport, or VIP business use. From the very first glance, this luxury Hiace feels like a completely different breed. On the outside, the 2026 Hiace luxury van looks bold, modern, and premium. The front end immediately grabs attention with its redesigned grille, finished in rich chrome accents that give it a strong yet sophisticated face. The LED headlights are sharper and more aggressive, paired with sleek daytime running lights that add a high-end touch, especially at night. The bumper design feels muscular but clean, giving the van a confident road presence that stands out whether it's parked or cruising down the highway. From the side, the Hiace keeps its iconic tall and spacious profile, but refined styling elements make it look far more upscale. Smooth body lines, body-colored panels, chrome door handles, and large alloy wheels replace the old commercial look with a luxury vibe. The sliding doors are wide and glide smoothly, making entry and exit effortless for passengers of all ages. Even in tight urban spaces, the design feels practical without sacrificing elegance. At the rear, Toyota keeps things simple yet classy. LED tail lamps, subtle chrome details, and a clean tailgate design complete the premium look. This is a van that feels just as comfortable pulling up to a 5-star hotel as it does handling daily family duties. It quietly announces quality without being flashy. Step inside the front cabin, and the luxury transformation becomes even more obvious. The cockpit is designed to make the driver feel relaxed, confident, and in control. The dashboard has been completely updated with a modern layout, featuring soft touch materials, leather accents, and metallic trims that elevate the overall feel. Everything is positioned logically, so nothing feels overwhelming or cluttered. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped and multifunctional, allowing the driver to control audio, calls, and cruise functions without taking hands off the wheel. The instrument cluster combines classic analog gauges with a digital display that provides essential driving information in a clear and easy-to-read format. At the center of the dashboard sits a large touchscreen infotainment system supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, navigation, and a premium sound system that delivers clear and rich audio. Comfort in the front seats is a major highlight. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long hours on the road. Power adjustment, lumbar support, and premium cushioning make driving less tiring, even on extended trips. Storage is well thought out, with multiple compartments, cup holders, and door pockets to keep everything organized and within reach. Now, it's moved to where this van truly separates itself from the rest. The rear interior. Open the sliding door, and you step into a space that feels more like a private lounge than a vehicle cabin. Toyota has clearly designed this area with luxury passengers in mind, focusing on comfort, entertainment, and relaxation. The rear seating setup includes premium captain chairs and plush sofas wrapped in high-quality leather upholstery. These seats are incredibly comfortable, offering generous legroom, reclining functions, armrests, and a relaxing seating posture. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, the experience feels first class. One of the standout features is the integrated LCD TV system, perfectly positioned for rear passengers. This makes long journeys enjoyable, whether you're watching movies, presentations, or entertainment content. Combined with the high-quality audio system and ambient LED lighting, The rear cabin becomes a true entertainment zone on wheels. The luxury doesn't stop there. Rear passengers enjoy their own climate control vents, USB charging ports, wireless charging options, fold-out tables, cup holders, and clever storage spaces. Some configurations even include privacy curtains, minibar-style compartments, and customizable ambient lighting that lets you set the mood of the cabin. Excellent sound insulation ensures a quiet ride, keeping outside noise away and making conversations or entertainment crystal clear. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van stays true to Toyota's reputation for dependable performance. Depending on the market, it offers refined engine options, including a turbocharged diesel and a powerful petrol variant. The diesel engine focuses on fuel efficiency and strong torque, making it ideal for long highway drives and heavy passenger loads. The petrol engine delivers smoother acceleration and a more responsive feel for those who prefer quicker performance. Both engines are paired with a smooth automatic transmission that shifts seamlessly, contributing to a relaxed and refined driving experience. The suspension has been upgraded to handle rough roads while keeping passengers comfortable. Despite its size, the Hiace feels stable, confident, and easy to drive, with precise steering and strong braking performance that inspire confidence behind the wheel. Now, let's talk about value. The 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van is priced higher than the standard Hiace, but it offers a completely different level of experience. You're not just paying for space, you're paying for comfort, technology, safety, and long-term reliability. For families, it becomes a luxury travel solution. For businesses, it's a premium VIP transport. And for executives, it's a mobile lounge that makes every journey productive and relaxing. In terms of features, Toyota has equipped this van with advanced safety technologies. Expect systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, and a rear-view camera. These features not only enhance safety, but also reduce driver stress, especially on long trips or in busy city traffic. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Hiace luxury van proves that luxury doesn't always need to come in the form of a sedan or SUV. Sometimes, true luxury is space, comfort, versatility, and peace of mind, and this van delivers all of that with Toyota's legendary reliability. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines elegance, practicality, and long-term value, new Hiace luxury van is absolutely worth your attention. This is Toyota showing the world that even a van can feel truly premium.